Thursday morning. I don't have any grandchildren today, so me and Amy, say hi Amy.
Hi.
We're going to visit my mum, her gran, and then we're going to hopefully have a look around Hobbycraft at some bits and pieces, and maybe spend some money. We shall see. Okay, catch you later. Right, it's 12 o'clock, midday. We're on our way to my mum's. We started our Keep Fit regime on Sunday. And how many times have we done Keep Fit since then? Amy? Once, and that was Sunday. So that died a death.
We're going to do it today.
Yeah, I've heard that one before. But on another note, I have lost £3 in the week, so I'm happy.
I haven't weighed myself, but I think I've lost a little bit. Because you know when you can see it.
Yeah, yeah. I don't really feel it. I just know that's what the scales say.
Because I haven't been eating as much rubbish.
No, well, I did a couple of days of OMAD, 1 meal a day, and a couple of days where I had sort of a biscuit just to get me through to 5:30, 6 o'clock when I had that one meal. So, but I haven't eaten anything yet today. We are planning on taking my mum to Costa though, so we'll probably have something there. But yeah, it's going quite well actually. So, like I say, if I could lose half a stone a month, then 4 months and I've lost my 2 stone. That sounds, and I've lost 3.8 pounds since the 2nd of January. So we're on schedule for half a stone this month, maybe even more. Traffic's not too bad.
Do we have to blur out number plates?
No, I don't think so. It's very cold. It was 0 this morning. I can't see what the temperature is at the moment.
It is 2 degrees outside.
2 degrees at the moment. That is cold. For UK anyway. I've still got a cough.
4 weeks now.
4 weeks, yeah.
Can't seem to get rid of
Still
it.
a bit blocked up. It's the cold that keeps on giving.
Well, mine just keeps coming back, but I'm not even sure if it's a cold now. Maybe it's something else.
Oh yeah, she's not sure if she's allergic to her guinea pigs, which could be a problem.
Because you can get chest infections and stuff.
Especially as you rescued them, and they'll have to be rescued again from you.
I know, good deed. That's what you get.